Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gilang. I am from class 7.2. My attendance list is 13. In this time, I will tell about my Agitax transcript. I'd like to turn now to the object which is the main point of this talk, the helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of our life. Movement, the natural world, the manufactured world, and our genetic makeup are all connected to the shape of the helix. A helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylinder shaped in the form of a spiral, like a corkscrew or a spiral staircase. The helix is a very popular shape in natural because it is a very compact. In fact, helix are sometimes referred to as nature space saver. In architecture, too, the helix shape of a spiral staircase is an attractive option in building where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve around each other, a bit like twist letter. DNA of all known living things, the helix shape is a very efficient the way to store a long molecule like DNA in the limited space of a cell. There are different types of helix. Helix can twist clockwise, right-handed, or anti-clockwise, left-handed. An interesting experiment is to hold a clockwise helix, such as corkscrew, up to a mirror. The clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of helix in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cables, screws, and ropes can be right-handed or left-handed helix. A helix that goes around a cone is called a conical helix. Examples of conical helix are screw or the spiral ram designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helix are also prevalent in the natural world. The horns of certain animals, various seashells, and the structure of plant, flower, and leaf can all contain helix. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix. With the discovery that the helix is the shape of the DNA molecule, it is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It's one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical description of the helix. You'll need a pen and a paper for the next part of the talk, as I am going to give you some variable to write down. Take your time to notice the difference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.